Hello traders, it's Yanis here from Nikos Trading Academy, and I would like to welcome you to another video for our live trading room results. Today we will discuss about gold and indexes. In gold we know that recently is going in turbo mode. As you can see, this is the beginning of the week and we are in very high settings. You can see also, even on more higher settings, that we had a very powerful trend line break, multiple tops, trend line break, crossover, big 1 2 3 with some spikes, and then what happened? This. So that means let's focus on a more recent, well, it's within the week, but I cannot go that far back in Renko. I don't have that much of a history for because the computer is getting heavier and heavier. So you see here that was like almost that was Thursday, I think. So what happened, price was going long and then we had a very nice retracement. So let's say you took this with this is an M48 with much more lower settings. In an analogy of 25, you already went 110, more than 4 times your APO. Then some retracements. Here price was a little bit kind of a range, and then another opportunity after this retracement, or this one, price is still going long. I mean, you can see here again retracements continuously. If I could check, let's say, we even with an M24 here and an APO of 90, even 100 pips, we are talking about 3 times our APO. Of course, within the week, if you trade only gold, we were talking about thousands of pips if you trade gold. Okay, now let me go to DAX. Here again, this is the beginning of the week. We saw price breaking our resistance area, nice retracement, big APO. So if you waited for something more certain and an extra verification, that would be for sure this one. So in case you took this, again we are talking about like 50-60 pips. This is 280, 300 plus pips. So we are talking about more than 5 times our APO. Dow, where is it? Again, you see here we had our trend line already drawn, and again sorry, at the beginning of the week we of course were waiting for an opportunity that didn't look very good here, but because of the well-respected trend line, you should have gone with a bounce again, like 90 pips, 80 pips. We are talking about 600, 580, or again here, with a bounce. Another opportunity, again 90 pips, 400. You could do that forever, well, as long as your trend line is well respected. So more than 5 times, again here, like I said, 100, 400 plus, but from here much more. So you see, what we care about, since we are talking about Renko, is volatility. You shouldn't be emotionally attached to a pair, an index, or whatever. We want volatility. Simple. Why? Because we are into this for the money. We need to grow our account, and through this account we will improve our way of life. Nasdaq, again, where was I? Here. That was an M12, not looking good, but then you had another one. So what happened? Entry 50, maybe 70 pips below here. Price went again 600 pips, 60 or 70, more than 9 times, around 10 times our APO. So you see, with less effort, 4 pairs, is it 1, 2, yeah? 4 pairs, we are talking about 1,400 plus pips, more than 18 times our APO. So like I always like to say, trade smart, not hard. Thank you very, very much. Have a beautiful weekend, and see you again Monday afternoon with our top-down approach. Bye bye everybody. Thank you.